Hey friends, it's Adam here, and today I've got a couple great coffees. I also wanted to invite you to join me. We're going to be doing a couple live cupping sensory events coming up March 27, March 28, and those are time zone specific. But if you click the link down below, then you'll be able to check them out. So, cupping coffees can be a challenge when we're finding the dry fragrance. And when we pour on the water, we get the aromas, we cup the coffees, sip. There's a lot of nuances, and how do we catch those? It's just repeated practice. It's over and over again. But especially if you're able to do that with a group of people and you're all kind of sharing advice, you're sharing tips, things that work well for you, some of the breakthrough moments that you had when you were learning to cup coffees and your sensory development and growth, that's what we want to make an opportunity for. So maybe you've taken some of my classes at HowToCoffeePro. Maybe you're new to coffee. Maybe you've been doing it a long time, but you'd just like to jump in on a Saturday or Sunday and join us for some cupping. Welcome. When you've got a couple washed Ethiopians, this one's an Aricha, this one's a Banco Gotiti. They're both Yirgacheffe. They're both grade 1. One of these is fantastic. It's just complex. It's amazing. The other one's just average. And it's kind of sad and strange to get a grade 1 fresh harvest average coffee from Ethiopia, but that's what this Aricha is. It just isn't dynamic. It isn't multi-layered like this Banco Gotiti is. You just get this cocoa, lime, sweetness, zest. There's just all these layers in it. Whereas this one it's good. It's just that floral, herbal, tea-like Yirgacheffe. This one's really clean and it's nice, but this one is unbelievable. And if you need access to some new coffees, maybe you just want to try some new coffees. That's part of it. It's hard to know what coffees are out there and what we're missing when we don't have them. I've also put together a couple sensory training kits. And so if you'd like to try, I have a survey of 8 coffees, and there's a limited supply on those, but you can test different Arabicas, different processing methods, Robusta coffee. There's a lot of it in there. And then I also have a lot of Kenyan coffee, roast levels at all levels. We're doing 8 different styles of roast for 4 different coffees. So those are available in the link as well. And then St. Patrick's Day is right around the corner. When I'm filming this, St. Patrick's Day is tomorrow. So happy St. Patty's Day for those of you who celebrate it. And to commemorate the green, we've got some Kenyan green coffee for sale. So if you want to pick up a couple kg, several pounds, it's on sale, it's cheap, and it's... Oh, hey, just kidding, we're back again. I just wanted to reheat my water and get a fresh boil here so that I could hit these coffees. And I didn't want to say goodbye until I said I hope to see you at one of these cupping events. You can join one, you can join both of them. It'll be a Google meeting, and we've already got several people from around the world, different time zones, and they'll be cluing in. We'd love to see you there. Oh yeah, that's going to be good. See you soon.